What is up, party people? It's Jack Black. Check out this cool thing in my sink. Jumanji!
Today we're back again with another episode of me making food. I'm gonna be something that most of you probably haven't heard of. It's where I come from, Eastern Europe. It's right there, this little piece of land. And we come from like Slavic part of the, or I don't know, remember Soviet Union? Yeah, that's where we come from. We're not Soviet Union now. We're totally Western and shit. Basically, I'm gonna make Varškėčiai, which is hell of a weird name, I know. And in English, I have no idea how it's called.
Curd fritter.
It's probably gonna be in the title, I hope. Anyway, this meal comes from like Poland. Yeah, you know that little country that started World War II? Well, it didn't, Germans did, but enough about World War II. So basically they come up with a recipe to make Varškėčiai, or in English it's like cheese curd pancakes. Yeah, something like that. I think that's a fair name. Curd cakes, or cheese curd cakes. Curd pancakes. Curd cheese cake pans. Anyway, whatever. What we will need is cheese curd, or curd, I can't speak. Sorry. Curd, and we'll mix it with flour, eggs, and we'll bake it. Not bake it. We'll cook it. No. Wait, what's the word? We'll cook it in a pan. We'll fry it in a pan. Just watch the video. And trust me, it's gonna be awesome. It's high in protein, it's high in carbs. I'll add the macros right here. If you want muscles like these, you know, you have to follow the macros. Anyway, let's begin. No. It's a pretty weird recipe. You'll see. First, I will add 2 eggs. Also, this makes like a lot of cheese curd pancake things. So you can reduce the amounts if you want. Okay, 2 eggs. Now, let's whisk the eggs, because in the recipe, it says to not whisk the eggs. And the recipe is called fluffy cheese curd pancake things. So I don't know how that works. If I learned anything from making food, I think that you should whip the eggs, whisk the eggs. Okay, I think that's enough. It's pretty frothy. Now, we'll add the curds of cheese. Yeah, we will need 500 grams of cheese curds. This is a kilo, so we'll need half of it. I don't know how much that is in imperial measurements. It's like half a bald eagle or something. I don't know. Let me just cut it. Now, it says in the recipe that you should run these cheese curds through a fine mesh sieve. So it's very, very fine, because you can see the curds are pretty big. I'm not gonna do that. Honestly, I don't see like any benefit to that. So I'll just add this block of cheese curds, crush it by hand, and then with a whisk even more, and it will be enough. Just get into it. There we go. Oops. This is fun. I feel like a child, dude. Wish I learned how to cook when I was a child. Good. Look how much cheese curds there are, and it's like flipping, I don't know, like a shit ton of protein in there. So for all the gym bros, this is a recipe for you. Good. Now, yeah, add in a pinch of salt. That's a pinch right there. Yeah, a pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. That's about 2 tablespoons, or is it 3 tablespoons? It's 2 tablespoons. Nice. Then, like, I'm gonna make this fancy. I'm gonna add some vanilla paste. You can add some vanilla extract, like half a teaspoon. Look at, oh my god, it smells so good, dude. I'll add like, yeah, just there we go, half. Yeah, boy. God, I love vanilla. Who doesn't, dude? It's like the default flavor. Yup. Sick. Now, I'll just crush everything a bit more to make the curds finer. I don't know, like, you can go through a fine mesh sieve and crush it through, but it's not gonna make a huge difference. You can use like a potato masher, maybe. Just mash it like, but yeah, this will work just fine. Also, we'll mix the eggs with the curds, like so. And sugar and salt, basically everything gets mixed. You can see it works kind of like a sieve or something. Honestly, I use a whisk. This recipe is now mine, because I changed one thing. Mix well. Now get like 1.5 tablespoons of butter. That is a liquid, so I'll be right back. You can go watch my how to use a microwave video up in the corner right here. Oh, it's coming. Nice. Wonder who invented the microwave beeping sound. Great. We have the butter. Now goes in 8 tablespoons of flour. Honestly, I'll just pour in the butter now, probably. Let it soak in. Use our whisk again. Flour. Here goes 1. Here goes 2. 6, 7, 8. Nice. And now you could use a spoon, but what I like to do is use my bare hands. I have shit on my hands. Yeah, so because you need to form them into like pancakes or whatever, and I like using my hands. Yeah, let's use the hands. Nice. Oh yeah. Try to get flour into all the wet spots. Yeah, like you could form them and then fry them later. Get it into one solid piece of dough, kinda, I guess. You could call it a dough. There we go. So we have this block. We just take like a pinch, you know, like so. A ball of 1.5 centimeters or something in inches radius ball, and just flatten it out like so into a pancake kind of shape. Make it a bit thicker, like don't make it super thin, and repeat with all of your dough. So I guess this is the time where I can talk about shit. Actually, it's not gonna be that many cheese curd pancakes. It's like for 2 people, I think. Yeah, ball eels, dude. They're fucking huge. I remember when I found out how big they are. Holy shit. Can carry a human child. Not even a human, like a deer child or something. Wow, don't want to mess with those fucks. Also, I saw a comment on my other video that said that I look like a Future Canoe channel. Honestly, I haven't seen one video of his. Yeah, probably should check his channel. Maybe we can collab, you know? We're kind of the same size of a channel, I guess. And we're almost done, come on. Yeah, I love cooking because you can let your anger out when making dough or making cheese curd pancakes, for example. Just fuck go at it sometimes. I don't have anger issues, okay? And the last one. So yeah, make a bowl, press it into something like that. A disc, right? Sort of. And that's it. That's the last one. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll meet you at the stovetop. Shit. Good. So we're at the stovetop. Oh shit, something in my eye. Turn on the heat. Now pour in a bit of that oil. Just a little bit.
Tiny bit of oil.
Well, maybe that's not a little bit. Yeah, cover the pan. And now it's time to place our cheese curd pancakes. Oh, hear that sizzle? Yep. There we go. Some ASMR. Yeah, boy, that's what's up. Fry them for like a couple minutes on each side and until golden brown, and that's it. That's it. What should I talk about? So like socioeconomic climate, am I right? I have no idea what's happening in the world. Okay, I think I can check. Yeah, it's almost done. It smells good. Yeah, we can start flipping them. See? Yeah, let's lower the heat a little bit. Let them cook for more time, I guess. Because they're pretty thick. You can press them. Voila. Well, this one is... This one's good. Nice. Maybe more crispy. Crispy. My thumbnails are bad, aren't they? Okay, let's check how they're doing. Oh, no, no, no. It needs more time. Can't wait to eat them. Okay, they should be done. Yeah, I think take them off the heat. Nice. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. And it's time to eat them and serve them. Get a plate and serve them. Bad at this, so hope it looks fairly decent. It should be like that. Hey, like so. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now, how I like to eat them is with some jam, and my favorite is strawberry jam. If you say something about strawberry jam, I have a word with you, so meet me outside in the comments. Anyway, get some strawberry jam. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, just add on each, or in the middle was also an option. Like just add. Now also some people like it with sour cream and jam, or vice versa, or like whatever. But I like it plain with a glass of milk. Like that. And here, have a pretty good meal. Pretty good breakfast meal. A cup of milk. 5, well, we have more. Cheese curd pancakes. Or cakes. I don't know how they're called. And they're pretty healthy, besides all the sugar in the jam and all the sugar that we added in and the flour. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, so these with the glass milk, they're great. Let's dig in. Get a little bit of jam action. Wow. Maybe a bit too sweet. Some ASMR. Let's drink some milk. Maybe it's a bit too sweet, like use less sugar than I did. I don't think I know how much a tablespoon is. But yeah, it's still pretty great. And again, look at these macros, dude. Yeah, you'll put on some muscle or fat if you do nothing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. It didn't seem like a good video, but I hope it will turn out great. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace!